Hey guys, it has been a while. It hasn't been a while for you because we've been putting a video out every single week. But it's been a while since we picked the camera up and done some work. We've done little projects here and there, but with my ankle not working, Casey's had to be like full-time keeping up with all the animals and the vegetable garden and all that stuff. So I'm actually feeling a lot better and I'm able to walk around freely, which is really great. We're very glad to have 2 people up and running again. So today we're gonna work on, as my first project back, the most important thing to preventing any more ankle sprains, if at all possible. So the plan today is to try to put a step, just one step right at the end of this porch, because this is the exact place where I sprained both my ankles. You can't really tell, but the step is just a little too high for comfort. Yeah, I just want to put one step right here, and the only problem is that this brick is in the way, so we have to see if we can try to move it back so that there's room for the step to go underneath here. Okay. Whoops. It's kind of breaking the brick a little bit. Watch out, Johnny Rose. There's a It is so wet. Perfect. Casey just picked, hold on, a ton of tomatoes. Alright, this design is actually really simple. I am just going to be putting, whoops, I'm going to try to assemble it up here, some wood like this in between. There'll be 5, and then this will be a whole step. The wood is actually really wet, so it's going to be a very heavy step to move over there. Right there, it keeps falling. Right. Hi, are you kitty? You heard that one like, and I'm out. Alright, here is the step frame. So we're going to put, might have to dig a little more right here, and then up there we're going to do some legs to make sure that it's really level. But it's a really simple step. Originally I thought I was going to be doing just like a 4-foot step, so I only got one piece of deck board, and we decided we wanted the step to go the full length of the porch just for the way it looks, and then also just I think it's going to be just more user friendly than if there's like a section that doesn't have a step. We just think some things could go wrong that way, so we decided to do the full step. So I'm gonna have to get another piece of deck board later, but I am gonna fill it in with something we already have that's not gonna match, but just know that I will replace that later and it will look nice and everything will look the same. All right, so I went through and put some legs on here to make it level and really sturdy, and now we're ready for the deck boards. Even. See? Yeah, like, I think it'll be okay though. Okay, Blair has joined us. No, thank you. Blair likes to climb humans and I don't like claws in my skin. She said, I don't care. Okay. Alright, that was a short project. My ankle is throbbing a little bit, so I actually was going to do another project to put in this video, but I don't think I'm going to get to that today. But I'm hoping that this step is going to solve the problem that we've been having of people hurting themselves while stepping off of our porch. It's not that high off the ground, but the step is, the step is only like 4.5 inches tall, which is honestly kind of an awkward amount of step, but we clearly need it. Oh my god, Blair. And like I said, we will, next time we go into town, we will get another deck board to replace this other wood. It's actually kind of uneven, which is a danger of its own. So we're going to be really careful using this step while we wait to get our other deck board. It takes at least 45 minutes to get into town, so we're not going to just run in to get one of those. But I am glad that we decided to go fully across. It's just nice to accomplish this project because the first time I sprained my ankle, we immediately thought we really need to put a step here, but it took me a while to be able to move around again, and then once I did, we went full force back into projects that we were working on at that point and just didn't do it. And then we thought, you know, we were like, oh, it's fine. And now that I sprained my ankle a second time, it was like the first thing I do when I'm back to normal is I need to put that step in. So it was a pretty simple project and glad that it's done. Casey is being nice and putting all the tools and everything away. I can walk, as I said, but my ankle just kind of swells up really big still. Well guys, next week we should have more content for you, so come back on Sunday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because we'd love to have you follow along on our journey. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.